Alright guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Maurice. You are welcome to my channel. So on today's video we are going to be talking about mode concept. We are going to talk about mode concept in chemistry. So first of all, what is mode? A mode is the SI unit for the amount of a substance. It is defined as the quantity of matter that contains as many entities, that is atom, molecules or ion, as there are atoms in 12 grams of carbon 12. That is for mole. So we are going to talk about molar mass also. So the molar mass of a substance is the mass of one mole of that substance in gram per mole. So without wasting much of our time, let's start with the calculation on moles. So we are going to start with example 1 that says how many moles are in 36 grams of water. How many moles are in 36 grams of water? So first of all, you have to know the formula, the right formula to use in the calculation. So first of all, solution. But before going to the calculation, let's see what and what are given. Okay, let me just give you the formula first. So the formula for calculating moles is N. N is the numbers of mole. N is equals to M all over mm, which N represent numbers of moles and M single N represent mass of a given substance. And is the molar mass. So through this formula that is given, let's check the given parameter. So we have to find the numbers of moles. So N is not given. Mass 36 gram. That is the mass. M is 36 gram. And molar mass is not given. So we have to calculate the molar mass of water. So let's calculate for the molar mass of water, H2O. So to calculate for the molar mass of water, we bring the water here. So H, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. You can find that in the periodic table. So according to the formula here, H2O, so hydrogen will be equals to 1 times 2, because this to represent the hydrogen, and we have oxygen here as 1. Oxygen is 1 here, which is 16. And if you sum up that, 1 times 2 is 2 plus 16, 18. So the molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole. That's the molar mass of water. So now let's put it into the equation. N is equals to M over mm, which N is equals to the mass 36 gram and the molar mass that we have just calculated molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole. So N will be equals to, you use your calculator to punch 36 divided by 18 is 2. So N is equals to 2. Gram will cancel gram and we are left with mole. So you can see we are able to calculate for the molar mass of water.